Welcome to the California Community College's MyPath College Portal Administration Instructional Tutorial. This tutorial guide is intended for College Portal administrators. Administrators will be able to log in to the MyPath portal and use the Tenant Admin panel to communicate directly with their student population, as well as to configure the look, feel, and content of their college's portal to customize what those students see and experience. There are 4 modules in this series, taking you through the basic configuration and functions of the CCC MyPath portal. In this module, we'll cover how to manage the layout for your college or district portal as an administrator. We'll discuss how the portal is structured, how to manipulate the placement of content for your users to view, and we'll move through a simulation to add content to the portal for user viewing. These configurations will allow you to customize the student user's experience. As we move through the demonstrative simulation, remember that you can follow along with the written user guide available for download. Let's get started. In the College Portal, layout management refers to setting up, editing, and display of the user interface. Layout elements include tabs, columns, and channels. All the content is provided in a tab structure, and tabs themselves are actually portlets. The content that administrators provide to the end user will be added into a tab via portlets as well. So essentially, administrators are arranging portlets within portlets to configure their content. Each portlet, therefore, is a layout element or piece of a larger whole, which we refer to as fragments. Administrators customize the portal display using what is referred to as fragment administration. Adding content to a tab is an example of fragment administration. Your college portal will have more than one tab available for displaying content to end users. You can add content in the form of portlets, app launchers, and surveys to your college tab that appear to students. To add content in any form, first we'll navigate to the Tenant Admin tab, then the Fragment Administration panel. We'll select a group to which we'll apply the fragment from the drop-down list. In this case, we'll select CCC TC Demo College Student and then press the Go button. This takes us to the DLM Fragment Administration screen, where we'll click the Edit Content link in the upper left-hand corner to open the tab configuration panel. Next, we'll click a category to select it. This should be the category that was selected for the portlet, app launcher, or survey when it was published. We'll select CCC TC Demo College Portlets, which will display the portlets contained within that category. Next, we'll scroll down the page until we see the section where we want the new portlet, app launcher, or survey to appear. In this case, we want to put our new portlet in the Apps section. We'll scroll back up to see the category's portlets and hover over the top bar of the portlet we want to select so that the upper option bar with the favorites and add links appear. The mouse pointer will change to a 4-pointed arrow when you've got it in the right place. We're going to select the CCC TC Demo College Intro and then click and drag the portlet down to the panel where we want it to be added. We'll take this down to the Apps section, and once it's where we want it, we'll release the mouse to drop it into place. Then we'll scroll back up and press the Done Editing link to close the tab configuration panel and return to the tab where the portlet we just added will display. Changes made to the layout will take about 10 minutes for students to see, but you can view your changes immediately without logging out of the Tenant Admin panel with this Student Authorization view in which we're working. You can see here that the Demo College Intro is down here in the Apps section where we put it, and this is where students will see it. Once we're satisfied with the layout, we can scroll up and click Exit to leave the Fragment Administration tab. Please test your layout changes in the pilot account before making changes in production. This will ensure everything is correct with no impact to your student users. Congratulations on completing Module 4 of the CCC MyPath Portal Administration Instructional Tutorial. We've discussed what fragments are in relation to portal structure, what fragment administration does for your portal layout, and how to add content portlets to a tab for user viewing. You can access the modules of this course at any time through CCC Education Planning Initiative at cccedplan.org. For more in-depth instruction, you can also access the written College Portal Administration User Guide available for download, or you can call or email California Community Colleges Technology Center.